Bang, what up, gang? I know that you need some microphones because you want to start rapping. Maybe you can't afford to get a microphone, so guess what I'm doing from here on out? I am going to be giving away 3 microphones a month so you guys who don't have microphones can start practicing, start getting your music made, and stop making excuses to get yourself further, okay? Because maybe you're learning the knowledge, but you don't have a microphone yet, and you can't afford one. It's okay, because I'm gonna be giving them away. And so you know I'm not kidding. All the mics, bro. All the microphones, bro. All the microphones, bro. There's so many microphones, bro. There's so many microphones. Get this other microphone, because there's so many of them. All the microphones, bro. I bought every single solitary USB microphone. I'm gonna be giving these away, okay? I bought all these microphones in order to test rap vocals on all of them. Starting in January, I'll be doing a contest every single month from the first to the end of the month, and every month I'm going to be giving away 3 microphones. Maybe more, we're gonna figure that out. But for sure gonna be giving away 3 microphones. I think that the Smart Rapper community has gotten to a point where this is gonna help people. It's gonna give you a reason to, wanna be more involved. Like it's a win-win for everybody, okay? Now I originally bought all these microphones just last week. I spent $1,000 on USB microphones because I wanna actually do rap vocal testing on every single microphone. And I'm doing that so smart rappers will know how a rap vocal will actually sound on all these microphones. Most reviews on these microphones are for podcasters, okay? Or they don't show you anything about rap vocals, and we need to know what rap vocals sound like on these. Because I know as an upcoming rapper, I wanted to know, how does a rap vocal sound on this microphone? And then you freaking go look, you can't, there's no information on it, or it's not put together well enough for you to really be able to learn from the video, right? So I was like, screw it, let me buy all these, let me review all these. Rappers gonna be looking for reviews on these 4 rap vocals, and I can be the first person that shows them that. And then, I'm not gonna use them, I just give them away. Put them right back in the box, hold contest for them. And in case you're interested, I'm gonna go over a list of all the microphones that I'll be reviewing, because I bought a lot of microphones, okay? So if you're excited and I wanna know which one you want to be reviewed the most, put your comment below, okay? Because you've probably heard of all these microphones, all right? So I got the Rode NT USB microphone, okay? Audio-Technica AT2020, as well as the ATR 2500. I got the Blue Yeti USB microphone. The most expensive one, I got the Spark Digital. It's a blue microphone, so it looks, you've seen this before, but probably not in the USB form. But this is $200 by itself. I got the Snowball Black Ice. Got the MXL Studio One. Got the CAD U37. Got the CAD U1000. That's a lot of microphones. So I'm not only gonna do reviews of these microphones, but I'm also gonna do head-to-heads, like the AT2020 versus the Spark Digital, you know what I'm saying? Or the Yeti versus the AT2020. So this is also another special moment because not only am I giving these microphones away, but I'm also announcing a new channel, a new Smart Rapper subsidiary or Smart Rapper channel that's going to have all these reviews on there. So I have a whole new channel, it's called Rap School. And that will have all these microphone reviews on there. That channel is gonna focus 100% purely on how to rap, like learning how to rap, everything that the first year person needs to know. So anybody who's new is gonna love this channel. Anybody who is starting to be like, I wanna be a rapper, they're gonna be on that channel, and obviously to be on Smart Rapper too. I feel like a lot of you are very advanced, right? So Smart Rapper's teaching you industry knowledge, tricks, secrets, and tips and stuff like that, and I'm teaching you how to be a smarter rapper. Rap School's gonna teach people how to also rap, so you can be able to use both channels at the same time if you're new. And if you wanna learn how to rap, that channel is going to be the go-to. I'll also have home studio stuff on that channel because that's also part of learning how to rap. You're going to need the equipment and the gear and stuff like that. So I'm going to have all that stuff on that channel. I'll teach you how to set up a home studio. I'll teach you what gear to get. I'll teach you about all the other microphones and everything else like that. So anybody who is really starting to rap or wants to learn how to rap or do the home studio stuff, it's all going to be on that channel. I didn't want to merge the two because a lot of you are too advanced for that. If I start releasing videos on rhyme schemes and stuff like that, you're going to be like, what? Like I already know this, bro. What's up, bro? If you want to help Smart Rapper grow and you want to grow yourself as well, I'm going to put a link below so you can go subscribe to the Rap School channel. Again, it's free, why not subscribe? And you're also going to be seeing a lot more content. So there'll be video content on here and there'll be video content on there on a regular basis. I'm going to teach you how to do wordplay, how to write punchlines, rhyme scheme, how flow works, freestyling, all that stuff is going to be on that channel. Right, the link's going to be below. If you guys want to win these microphones, Put below what your favorite microphone is, because I'm gonna have to get more of those microphones as well to start giving away more and more microphones. But I have a ton of microphones. I even got more microphones over there to give away to you guys, okay? If you want to win, if you think this is a great idea, if you would enter a contest every month to be able to win microphones, leave comments below. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet, and then please subscribe to the Rap School channel, which is brand freaking new. You know, everybody who goes in there and is some of the first subscribers are gonna be able to say, I was subscribed to that channel within the first week, within the first month that it existed. Okay, so you'd be the OG people on that channel, all right? So I'm gonna have a lot of content on there. You're gonna see I'm still setting it up. So some of the content, ignore some of the content that's gonna be on there. Once I get it established, then they'll start releasing all of those rap videos, right? But get on there right now as soon as you can so you can not miss any of those videos, right? I'll see you guys on both channels, and I'll see you again tomorrow with another video. Make sure to comment your favorite microphone below. Appreciate y'all. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.